I will explain the difference between family, relative, nuclear family, and extended family. 1. Difference between family and relative. Family is a family that is usually very close. Example, husband, wife, mother, and father. Relative or family whose relationships are not so close are sometimes quite distant. Relative can also be interpreted as relative. Example, uncle. 2. Difference between nuclear family and extended family. Nuclear family is a family consisting of parents and children only. Example of father, mother, and child. Extended family is a larger family consisting of a complete family tree, starting from grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, and others. Example of in-laws, uncle and cousins.